Tovu to Faca, Tovu life hale. Tovu to Faca, Tovu knife alley. She's got a knife. Are you worried for your life? Oh, gotta get the knife. Can you save your life? Little Knife Alley. You got a story to tell. We all got a story to share. What's yours? She's got a knife. Are you worried for your life? Oh, gotta get the knife. Can you save your life? Faca, faca, faca. Oh, faca, faca, faca. Oh no. Oh, faca. Faca the knife. She's got a knife. Are you worried for your life? Oh, gotta get the knife. Can you save your life? Little Knife Alley. You got a story to tell. We all got a story to share. What's yours? She's got a knife. Are you worried for your life? Oh, gotta get the knife. Can you save your life? Faca, faca, faca. Oh, faca, faca, faca. Oh no. Oh, faca. Faca the knife. Faca, faca, faca. Oh, faca, faca, faca. Faca, faca, faca. She's got a knife. Are you worried for your life? Oh, gotta get the knife. Can you save your life?
This little alley has a nice little tea shop all the way down, so we're gonna walk down that way. You can also see a yin yang symbol, and the street name is called Beco de Faca. And this is we're on this Maunch Street, and there's a lot of kind of interesting stuff around here. There's a school right there, and there's also this blue building. I'm gonna explore some of those when we come back down, and then we're gonna end up down in this little plaza in a moment. But we're gonna start here and just kind of show you what this Beco de Faca looks like. Okay, so Beco de Faca, let's put this up on the map. As you can guess, faca means knife. So this alley has a reference of a knife, which probably is a kitchen thing. But anyways, I put up a song and I used the word faca, and that's what that's all about. Let me get the words up right here so you can see exactly what that's all about. So just kind of having fun with the name of the street. And let's get right into the street, and we're going to narrate, and I'm going to walk down this really interesting alley and show you where it's at. And let's just get into it. Narration time. Little slice of Macau. Okay, so here's our street. Let me walk back a little bit, give you some context of it. So it's this little alley. And if you go up the hill, you'll eventually go up to Sao Paulo ruins, but you'll go like this and up that way. And you can also go down the hill and go down this way and go up to St. Paul's Sao Paulo ruins as well, which is something that won't be in this video, but it's around, it's on the other side of this. So let's go check out the Beco. And it's a little bit early in the morning. It's like 10 in the morning, so I don't know what will be, if it'll be open or not, but we're gonna come down and see. We do have some school stuff. Yeah, I've always seen this one right here too, this little black and white yin yang with the dragon on it. And as an aside, it's also the year of the dragon right now. And then that is actually what I was going to come and see, that little shop. I think this is Tutti Gong and Tutti Po. So a lot of the neighborhoods will have a shrine for, I believe they say it's for protection. And I think by protection from the spirits. From wandering spirits. Yeah, this place right here. I always thought this was so amazing. And if you look up, you can see all those windows like that. And you kind of wonder like what that might have been like in the past. Maybe they didn't, maybe it wasn't in a little alley like it is now. Huh. I'm sure this is a private residence, but there's an abandoned property right there. So I won't go in because I'm sure it's it is kind of interesting. Lots of people smoke here. Now you can see these nice balconies too. You can kind of see this. Oh wow, look at that balcony right there. Yeah, if you get a chance and you're in Macau, go down the little alleys. They're always super cool. And they're safe too. Even from dogs, like, you know, there's like a couple alleys that I know of that have dogs and I don't feel comfortable because of the dogs. But even that is pretty rare. And just take a look at that one more time. And check out, some of these buildings are so narrow, right? This one needs windows. Yeah, I wish this was open because, it's okay. I think it's a coffee shop, tea shop. I'm gonna come out by here one more time. So this is basically this little Beco is alley, so it's like Beco do. We'll see it in a second. Faca alley, anyways. And then we're gonna go up in a minute. We're gonna go down, sorry. And I'm gonna show you where all the people are at. But you also have all these other interesting buildings too in here, including more alleys. This alley actually has its own name. Little mantu, stuff like that. So you got some interesting stuff. So yeah, no shortage of interesting stuff. Marizinha. Looks like a wine shop. Oops, sorry. So let's just keep on going. There's some of these tall balconies and such. So let's go down. So our alley was this little alley right in here. Beco da Faca. And so this alley is right in the heart of all this other cool stuff everywhere, which we're gonna show you in a minute. And you got some other alleys too, like this one right here. There's another alley you can go down in here. I filmed it not too long ago, but that's little Patio de Cabana. But that's beyond this one. But there's just a lot of really cool looking spaces like that. Here's a Macau milk tea. Hello. And then we got popcorn one. Popo X popcorn. And then we just go right into this heart of all this people everywhere. So I'm just gonna walk in briefly. We can go in a little small circle, kind of highlight what this is all about, and then we're gonna go back down. So if we go straight down this way, this goes down to Say Cathedral, Sao Dominic's, Sano Square. So all of those would be down this way. Some nice signs. And then up this way would be Sao Paulo ruins. Over like that. And you got lots of people everywhere in this area. And some beautiful buildings too. Some really nice buildings. Okay. So we're gonna go a little bit in a circle. And then we're gonna come back like this. Come like this. So that's basically where we're at, was right up there. The Faca Street. And we'll end it right there.
Knife Alley. She's got a knife.